Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the RG10 or the 10-inch Rocky Guard. So this is a 14 gauge cold rolled steel product. We're able to powder coat it to any of the REL colors. It's also available in a 48-ounce copper. This is going to be primarily used on new installation and retrofit installations. With a retrofit installation, it's going to be face fastened through the roofing material that you're working with. Being that it's face fastened, we have to worry about waterproofing. So I'm going to go through the installation on that to ensure we don't have any water penetration. First thing you'll do is you'll lay down a bead of urethane sealant where the snow guard is going to be placed. You would then place the snow guard on top of that and fasten it with 3 of the Woodbinder screws. The Woodbinder screws are fantastic for keeping water out of the holes, and the urethane barrier underneath is going to ensure that there's no water penetrating into the roof. For a new installation, the snow guard would be placed on the course you're laying and then fastened above the headlamp. Then the next course, as it's laid over it, is going to actually do the waterproofing for us to keep the water out of the penetrations. If you have any questions on this product or any of our other products, feel free to reach out. Our phone number is 720-379-7756, and our email address is info@RockyMountainSnowGuards.com. Thank you.